In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ranking question with Paperform. If you've been looking to gather insights on preferences and priorities, a ranking question is a perfect tool to include in your form. It allows respondents to reorder items according to their importance or preference, providing you with valuable data. Let's dive in and learn how to set this up in your Paperform form. First, you'll want to open your form in Paperform's editor. Take a moment to navigate to the specific place in your form where you'd like your ranking question to appear. This is typically on a blank line, so look out for where you can insert or find such a spot. Once you've identified the spot, you have a couple of options to add your ranking question. The first method uses /commands, which is a quick way to add features in Paperform. On your chosen blank line, simply type rank. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select rank. This command will insert the ranking question directly where you need it. You'll then need to give your ranking question a title, something that clearly describes what you want the respondents to rank. For example, you might title it, "Rank these features in order of importance." Adding a brief description can also be helpful to provide any additional context or instructions. Alternatively, you can use the Add Question button, which is represented by a plus symbol. Clicking this button will allow you to add a new question at your chosen spot. Once you've clicked it, change the field type to rank. This option is just as effective as using the /command and might suit those who prefer using the interface over keyboard shortcuts. After you've added your ranking question using either method, you'll need to configure the field using the configuration panel, which you'll usually find on the right side of the editor. This panel provides various settings to customize your question further to meet your needs. Here, you can decide whether respondents are required to rank all of the provided items, or if they're only required to rank a subset. If you decide that not all items must be ranked, be sure to set a minimum number of answers to specify how many options must be ranked at the very least. You can also set a maximum if needed. Another useful option is to set default answers. This means you can predetermine the order of options or pre-select certain ones. This can guide respondents or speed up their responses if there are typical ranking patterns. Don't forget about conditional logic. This feature allows you to show or hide the ranking question based on other responses in your form, which provides a more tailored respondent experience. Finally, once you're satisfied with your question and its settings, make sure to save or publish your form. When respondents open your form, they'll see the ranking field, and they'll be able to drag the items to reorder them or select numbers to indicate their ranking preferences. And there you have it. A functional and informative ranking question in your Paperform form.